Here I have REALME C25s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the battery section, and here you have power saving mode. You can switch it here, and you can also manage some of its settings here. You can, for example, turn it off automatically when your device is up to 60% charged. You can turn it on at a specific battery level, like you can set it yourself here. You can also change its default optimization, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, and you can disable background synchronization. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.